Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 9:45 a.m. At 8:18 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of showers with embedded thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 13 nautical miles west of Key Bridge to 19 nautical miles west of Occoquan Bay, moving northeast at 45 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Occoquan Bay, Smallwood State Park, Gunston, Mount Vernon, Key Bridge, Fort Washington, the Woodrow Wilson Bridge, National Harbor. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally, highways and dangerous lightning are possible. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. This line is producing occasional lightning. Stay below deck, if possible, and keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 8:19 a.m., strong storms to affect northern Virginia, the District of Columbia, and suburban Maryland west of Interstate 95. At 8:15 a.m., radar indicated strong storms along a line extending from Oakton down to Orange, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted between 8:15 and 9 a.m. include Tyson's Corner, Vertiersville, Glen Echo, West McLean, Emmett Hills, Mine Run, Chevy Chase, Parker, Goldale, and Locust Grove. Severe weather may develop rapidly. Remain alert and be prepared to take action if warnings are issued. Wind gusts at 40 to 50 miles per hour can be expected with these storms. Now for the National Weather Service Marine